But you know that with the screens, there are no mistake. If we are searching any topic, we get in the seconds what we want to find. But in the books, we have to check a single page again and again, where what is the topic, which is related to it or not. We have to find the index, and we are if we check the index and some. In the old books, maybe there are no index, so we have find the old books, we have to find and check the whole pages of the books. That's why I'm saying that with the screens, if want to learn a single topic, a very specific topic, which is don't widely printed in the books, but with the screens we can learn the topic very easily and very fastly. And the biggest advantage of a screen is there are so many things we can learn from the screen, just like in the books, you know that there are so many stories there in the books, and books written that there are so many beautiful structures are there, so many beautiful mountain and sceneries. So we can't imagine which type of beautiful, which type of pretty, but in the screen we can also see, yeah, there is so many greenery, there are big beautiful mountains and the rivers, and the waterfalls are there. That is the biggest difference between book and the screen. And with the screen we can update very short, in very short time. But with the books, maybe books take the new edition in the many years, and the biggest age difference and the biggest year of difference after the books get the new update and a new edition. That's why I'm saying that screen is updating day by day. There are totally, we are updated from the screen. It's my point.
Yeah, but assume that you don't have a syllabus and you are studying from a book. Okay, you are studying from a mobile phone. Then how can you do study? So like you are just you have downloaded the syllabus. Okay, but you don't have a notes, proper notes. Then how will you know that the how can I find details about that particular topics? Because the like when you will follow the syllabus, then there will be only the topic, there will not be all types of details. Then assume that you are just searching about the one topic, then maybe there can be a video of only 5 minutes to 7 minutes. There will be only the some instructions, some information. Then how will you judge how am I doing this study in a good way or not? Am I well prepared for examinations or not? In that times you will have a need of the details. It means you should understand what types of details I have to cover in that particular topics. Then in that conditions you will have to download the notes. But most of the time we are unable to find the notes in a Google. Then in that conditions we don't have any types of uh, option. Then we will have to go in a book, and because in a book we are able to see that there will be all details, all topics. Then you will able to study step by step. And what happens when we don't study step by step, then obviously we are unable to crack the topic. We try to crack the topic, we don't try to understand. If you try to crack, then I think we will unable to understand what is the importance of that particular topic. So this is also problem. And the book also teach us how to start your life. It means if you have to study anything, then you have to study from a step by step. You have not try to go directly in a top. The book try to teach us. We see some types of video the like 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and we see maybe there can be a wrong person who is spreading a wrong knowledge. Then in that times how will we judge? Because in that time we are studying in a starting, it means before the examination. Then we are not teacher, we cannot say that it's a right, it's a wrong. We cannot judge. Though then it's also a problem of the screen when we study from a YouTube.
We can't find the notes every time. There are only few times we can find the notes, and only few videos are teaching us the whole topic very easily. But I am saying that assume that you need a books, and this new education policy change the books, and you need the new books for the study because you are free, you have so much time. But if you are going to the any bookshop, any bookstore. They said the book has not come. There are printing. Maybe it will take 1 month to arrive the books, and we can get the books. And if we are depend on that books, we can't study. We are wasting 1 month. But if we are have screen, so we can find the syllabus, we can find these types of book that this books will be printed, and with the biggest websites of higher education of Madhya Pradesh sites, we can download the syllabus from there, and we can find the all topics on the screen. But if we are only waiting for the books, we are only waiting and we are wasting times. And just like there are so many examples, and guide also, books so different thing and the guide is different thing, but the maximum students are purchasing guides. And you know that the Pariksha Adhyan is very famous guides for 9th to 12th, you know that. And if we are, and it will available after the December month, and school started from the June, so that's why the students have to wait for that books from the months, and they are wasting their times. What I am saying to trying to say, that if nowadays screen study also available, so they have proper time, proper syllabus, proper content to watch, and the proper methods, and many different ways, and many virtual realities also, that I am saying that, so we can study properly. In the many books only theory are available, but with the screen there are practical videos also there, which what the really happens, what the this types of method and real questions and the real disadvantage we can see in the screen also.
You are just talking about the when new book comes in a market, then sometimes you will unable to find, unable to purchase. It's also happen with a screen. Okay, when meanwhile they will not update books and syllabus in a website. Then how can you find? They most of the time they unable to update very fast, so we will have to also wait. The like what is happening, I want to tell you, the like my cousin is also studying in a polytechnic from electrical branch. Then we are just trying to find the RGPV notes from every website, from a Google, from everywhere. Then we are unable to find, we will unable to find, meanwhile they will not update, they will not put. It means when session, meanwhile session will not start, then we cannot find the notes. We have we have checked all resources, and we have checked from all website, we are unable to do. So it's also a problem of screen. If we will have a book, then we will not have this type of problems, and we will start study from a books, and we will able to find the topic from there. We will able to just clear the concept. Like just we are talking about from a screen, we able to see 3D structure, and we able to understand properly. Yeah, you are a good, you are saying a right, it's a right. But in a YouTube you will unable to sometimes you will unable to good you will unable to get that types of quality what you have a expectation. Okay, yeah, it happens because there will be only a two or three teacher who will try to teach in a good way.